In this video, we are going to see how we can delete our contacts from ManyChat account. So if you want to just get rid of the contacts from ManyChat and you don't want to delete it on WhatsApp, you can do it simply by going here on the left hand side in the navigation pane. You select this and you select all of the contacts. After that, you click on the bulk actions on the top right hand corner. And from here, if you scroll all the way down, you will see this delete contact option. You click on that and you just have to type delete once before deleting it. Hit enter, click on delete. Now, depending on the contacts that you have saved, it will take some time to remove it. Like I had around 408 contacts. That's why it's taking much time. But let's just complete the process. And that is how we delete it. So pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.